Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be creating this holiday look. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then please keep watching. Alright, we're going to play with some makeup. I'm going to start by priming my face, and I'm going to use this one. This is the Too Faced Hangover RX Primer. I really like this one because it's so hydrating and moisturizing. And my skin is so freaking dry because of this like winter weather. I don't know what's going on here, but I have this like dry patch right here, and I've had it for like 5 months now. No, maybe more like 4 months, but it like won't go away and I don't know why. Alright, before I do my brows, I'm gonna lay the hairs down with a little soap. Never mind, mine looks kind of ratchet. There's like things stuck in it. But I just like to spray a little bit of setting spray. Any setting spray will work. I spray it on the bar. And then I take any spoolie and I kind of just like create a little paste, and then I will brush that through my brows. I have a whole in-depth tutorial on this, you guys, but this just helps my brow hairs like stay in place. It's like a freaking glue. So I'm gonna do that and then I'll be right back. Alright, brows are laid. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of like cut them a little bit with some concealer. I'm gonna use this one from Urban Decay. This is the Naked Skin Concealer, and I'm gonna use this like flat little brush. So I just take a little bit of the concealer on my brush, and then I go in and kind of just carve out my brows, just cleaning up the bottom edge, defining them a little, and then I drag the rest of the concealer down, and then it'll be easier to fill them in. Alright, to fill in my brows, I'm going to use this. This is from Makeup Forever. This is called Brow Liner, and it's in the shade 50. It's a dark one. Let me open it so you could see. It literally looks like a liquid eyeliner. Can you see this little brush? That's what it looks like, but it's for your brows, and it's so good. I've had this product for a while, and I've been sleeping on it, and the other day, also, I just flick it through my brows like little strokes of hair, you know, like just little lines. I'm not like drawing anything solid. I'm just drawing little tiny fine lines in the sparse areas. But anyways, the other day I was going through my drawer of eyebrow products and I saw this and I was like, you know what? I've never really used it before. I'm gonna give it a go. And I've been using it ever since. So it's like my new favorite thing. Okay, we're gonna jump straight into eyes. After I get my brows on, I'm gonna go back in with the Naked Skin Concealer, and I'm just gonna apply some of this to my eyelid, and this is going to be my eyelid primer today. And I'm going to take my Morphe E8 brush, looks like this, my favorite brush for concealer, and I'm just going to buff this out. Okay, so I really want to do like a simple eye look, like just a gold eyeshadow, but every time I say that, a simple look always turns into something like super complicated. So I'm really hoping that I can just stick to it. I'm going to be using this Urban Decay Naked Honey palette. So pretty. This palette is so pretty, and I'm going to focus on one of these two shades. I literally just want to do like a gold eyelid because that's just what I want to do. And I typically don't like wearing like full shimmer on the lid, but I'm just gonna do it today because I need to do something different than friggin' a matte orange shade like I always do. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this palette that came, or the palette that came in the brush. I'm tired, you guys. I'm gonna use the brush that came in the palette. I'm gonna dip into this shade right here. This one is called Golden. The other one, the other gold shade, is called Honey, and it's more of like a yellow gold. This one's more of like a softer gold. Does that make sense? And I'm just going to put this bad boy all over the lid, and we're just going to do a gold eyelid. Maybe this will be like a holiday look, you know? Look how pretty this. Ooh, it's going to be so cool looking. And right now I'm pretty much just packing this shadow on. I'm like patting it onto my lid, pressing it onto my lid. I'm not like rubbing or blending right now. I'm literally just packing this shimmer shadow all over. Oh, it's so pretty, so pigmented. Okay, so this brush that came in the palette has two sides. It has this like shorter, smaller, denser little just like flat eyeshadow brush side, and then it has this like fluffier, bigger, larger eyeshadow brush, blending brush, whatever. So to pack on the shadow, I use the smaller side, and then I'm going to take a little bit of the eyeshadow, the same color, because we're just using one color today. I'm going to take that same color on the bigger, fluffier side, and I'm going to start blending my crease and just taking it a little past my crease towards my brow bone. tone and just kind of blowing out that shimmer so it's not like a harsh line. And then over here, because I kind of like my eyeshadows to be more of like a cat eye shape, I don't want it to just be like round to my eye, I'm just going to start flicking the brush outwards a little bit just to blend and soften the edges of this shadow. I mean, shimmers are so easy to work with, you guys. As far as like eyeshadows go, they're so easy. So it's going to blend really, really nicely. And it doesn't have to be perfect either. That's so pretty. Okay, big part of me doesn't want to wear lashes, so I'm going to put on a layer of the Urban Decay Perversion mascara. This is the waterproof one. So I'm just going to do a thin coat of this mascara. I really don't want to wear lashes. I've been liking not wearing false lashes lately, but at the end of this look, if I feel like I need false lashes, then I'll throw some on. But I'm going to try to not wear them. Okay, let's go on to face. For face, I'm going to go in with some drop that I haven't used in a while. Honestly, they're probably expired because I've had them for a really, really long time. Oh my gosh. But I'm going to use them anyways. So these are the Photography Fluid Opacity 12% drops. They just look really nice under foundation. So I'm going to put some of this on my face underneath my foundation. Remember, I already put that primer on at the beginning of this video, the Hangover RX primer. I'm going to take a foundation brush. This one is actually a powder brush, but it's from Moda Cosmetics. I'm going to use this to blend this. It just gives like a really nice like glowy look because there's like it's like shimmery. It's like a gold shimmer. It kind of smells bad though. I don't know if that's because it's old, but it smells like glue. But it still looks nice and it's blending out nicely, so we'll see. I used to use this all the freaking time, but honestly it's just been sitting in my drawer. It's really old, so I figured I would try it out. Definitely probably expired, but oh well. It still looks good though. My skin is so broken out like up here and on my chin, but it's definitely because I'm gonna start my period like next week. Okay, I used this foundation in a different video, in the last video, and the one I used was way too light for me. Oh my gosh, this one looks way too dark. What the heck? I don't think I can use this one either. And I have a fake tan on right now, but it's going to be just way too dark. I already know. This one's the darker one. It's going to be way too dark. Yeah. Should I just try it anyways? I'm just going to try it. This is the Urban Decay Stay Naked Weightless Liquid Foundation, and it's in the shade 51NN. I'm just going to try it. I'm going to put a little on my brush, on like 1.5 pumps. I do have a fake tan on, but it's not that dark. Oh, this might work. It's actually, it looked darker in the tube. Actually, this might work perfectly. I didn't want anything super heavy, so I'm not going to apply a lot. But this foundation is already a weightless foundation, and when I used it the other day, the really light one, even though the color was wrong, the formula was so perfect. It was like, it provided that coverage that I wanted, but also didn't feel like super heavy, and I love that. This one does look a little dark, but it's okay because I do have a fake tan on, and it actually, like, my neck and my face look okay. I'm gonna take the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. This is in the shade Light Warm, and I'm just gonna conceal underneath my eyes a little bit to hide those bags that I've got going on. And I'm using my Morphe E8 brush to blend out that concealer. I'm gonna blend as I go because I know this one dries fast. Already drying on me. I'm gonna take this same concealer in a different shade, and this is in the shade Dark Neutral, and I'm gonna use this to contour. I'm gonna do like a little cream contour. Mine's almost empty. I don't know if you can see, but you can like literally see through this bottle. It's almost gone. See, this is just a darker shade, and I like to use this as a contour. And I'm using a Luxie 660 Precision Foundation brush to tap out this contour. I just like how soft and like natural that looks. Sometimes powder, in my opinion, can get a little muddy looking almost, especially when you're applying like a powder contour over foundation, and if the foundation is still a little tacky, it'll like grab the powder contour and kind of make it look a little muddy. I mean, it can look muddy with a cream contour too, but right now it don't. Okay, for highlight, I'm going to use this Liquid Glow from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is in the shade Perla, another product that I've had for a really long time that I haven't used in a while. It's just like a little squeezy tube, so I'm going to squeeze some out just a little bit on my finger, and I'm going to tap this. Oh wow, I got it too low. Oh well. I'm going to tap it onto my cheekbone area using my finger. It's super glowy and pretty, except for I applied it like not on my cheekbone, but that's okay. And I'm just gonna blend it with my finger. Then I have these long ass nails on. I love the way acrylics look, okay? Love it. But I hate having to live life with acrylics because I feel like I cannot do anything with long nails. Okay, for blush, I'm gonna stick with the cream theme, and I'm gonna use this blush. This is a cream blush from Kaja Beauty, and I think this is in the shade Saucy. So these are super cute. As you can see, it's like a little stack. You twist the top off, you get this cute little heart stamp, and then the bottom of this opens like this, and you stamp your little thing in there, and then you can stamp it right on your face. And then I'm going to take a brush and quickly buff this out. So it's pretty much just like a little cheek stain. It does dry down pretty quick, so you need to work fast. But it's nice, subtle little blush. Super pretty. For lips, I'm going to be using this. This is the Too Faced Melted Matte Liquefied Matte Longwear Lipstick in the shade Gingerbread Girl. It's kind of like a brick red color. Ooh, it smells delicious. I am going to put a little bit of my EOS chapstick on before. My lips are so dry, and usually liquid lipsticks are very drying, so that's why I just like to put a little bit of chapstick on first. Okay, and I'm going to skip lip liner today. I'm just going to go right in with this liquid lip. That color is really pretty, and it makes my teeth look nice and white. I was nervous to wear a color other than nude because I always wear nude, but really happy about this decision. Also pretty happy about no lashes. I don't know, it's just kind of like a nice soft but still glam holiday look, you know? I feel like it looks softer and less crazy because there's no false lashes. I am going to do one more coat of mascara on the top lashes though, just to reinforce them a little bit. And then I'm going to go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. This one is the Summer Solstice one, same as the usual one except for it has a little scent. And that is it for this makeup look. I really like it. It's so pretty. It's very like Christmas vibes. Super Christmas vibes. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this holiday makeup tutorial. If you did, please let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. Please come say what's up and comment something in the comment section. I love to hear from you guys. I hope you guys are having a great holiday season. Thanksgiving just passed. I hope your Thanksgiving, if you celebrate, was amazing. And I hope your holidays coming up are great too. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!